Hey y'all. Oh, yes. Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to actually know how I achieved this look or yeah, whatever. Okay. Achieved the look. Cause right now, you girl, I can't even because I'm feeling myself. Anyways, but stay tuned. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're old, you already know. All right. Hey. Stay tuned. I'm serious. Yes. I can't even breathe anymore. Anyways, guys. All right. I don't want to take too long, so I already braided my hair, so y'all can see this. Okay. Yep. I braided my hair already because I don't want this video to be that long. All right. So we all get it. So if you hear some noise, yeah, we're doing laundry, so okay. Anyways, I'm gonna oil my hair with my so just you know the drill. Okay. So pull that back, and I'm back. So okay. I think it's I just bought the crochet. So this is what I bought, guys. Like this one, I just wanted something because my birthday's coming up, so I didn't want to do something really, because your girl is planning on doing something for her birthday, so I just went on and bought a crochet. I think it's passion twist. Yes, that one. So I bought this at the beauty store. I bought like 3 packs, but I don't know whether it's gonna be enough. This is how it looks. Yeah, just like that. It has 3 in each pack, and it's a 24-inch. Like, I didn't want it that long, but anyways, it's winter, so we're good. Okay. All right. I'm so brutal. Oh Lord, this girl. This is gonna be kind of like a long video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in each. Not bad. Hopefully it's enough because I like it. I like it so full in my head because y'all can see your girl head is a party every day. Right. Okay. I don't know why they did this. The hell. Sorry guys, I know I haven't been looking at the camera, but look at it's so nice. Okay, it's already done. So all right. Whew. So I'm gonna take this little piece and just put it in, just like this. All right. I don't know if y'all can see, so I put it just like this, and it goes in any height. All right. Okay. Whatever. So if you see me looking the other way, guys, I'm kind of like watching a movie. So, and I don't want to talk too much in this video, so y'all can just watch the process as I do it. All right. started doing front. And the best thing, it's not like even heavy. Well, it's not heavy yet, actually. It's not. So I can put them on. Look at this. It's so nice. Anyways, so the last pack. Ooh, thank God. Like. Oh, Lord. Anyways, yes. It's coming along pretty nice. Not bad. Yes. Mm-hmm. What y'all want to say? Okay, let me start. Guys, oh my God. I run out of here. I had to run to the store to get another pack, y'all. To get another pack. But you see how it's coming along. Look at this. Anyways, alright, let's get right into the second. y'all. Look at this.